welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how I clean my makeup brushes. I haven't cleaned my makeup brushes in about maybe 2 or 3 weeks, so I figured that this would be the best time to do it and also show you guys how I clean my makeup brushes. So to clean my makeup brushes, I use the Lilumia. I don't know how to pronounce this. Lumia, I don't know. But I use this little baby right here, and I'm going to show you how I clean my makeup brushes with the Lilumia. So if you want to see how I do it, please keep watching. So this is it. I have the black one. So the first thing I did was plug in my Lilumia. I'm going to take off the lid. Take off this part. And I'm going to start putting my brushes inside. So you don't want to stick them in like this. Of course you wouldn't. I stick them in like this and just keep going. It sometimes is a little bit of a trouble to punch it in, but if you push hard enough, it'll go in. So that's all I'm gonna do for now. Push this inside. Now I am going to simply put it in. When you hear it snap, it's in well. And now I'm going to start pushing down my brushes so they will get clean. So not all the way, because you don't want to hurt the bristles, but you want to push it down enough to where the water is going to hit the brushes. Okay, now I'm just going to get water and I'm going to pour it in the side right here, right to the line. Now I'm going to be pouring water inside where the brushes are. And now I'm going to grab my soap that is actually for the Lilumia, and I'm going to take a capful and pour it in the side where I put all the water. It smells like Disney. I don't know if that's like weird or not. But now I'm going to put the cap on. And press the button.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your hands.
So now that it is done washing my brushes, I'm going to disconnect this piece. Pulling it out. Put my little Lumia to the side. And then I'm going to start taking out my brushes. And now I'm just going to simply rub them on the towel, make sure that they're gonna get dry a little bit. You don't want to leave them sopping wet. And the reason why you don't want to leave these brushes sopping wet is because it can go seeping into the wooden piece that's holding your brush together, and it can break off this part. And you just don't want to do it because it messes with the bristles and the brush itself, and yeah. Okay, so now that they're all clean, I'm gonna let them dry, and I'm gonna have them sitting on a towel and just let them sit for a little bit. The last step is just to simply just take a towel and start wiping around the machine. You don't want to leave it all nasty for the next time you use it. Just wipe it down. And also, there's a little slot right here where you push down, and here's all the dirty water. So you just want to go rinse that out. And that's pretty much it. I clean my makeup brushes. I am not telling you to go out and get this machine. You don't need it. There's so many simpler ways to clean your brushes, and you don't need to buy a machine that's... I'm gonna put the price here. You don't need it. You don't need it. It's quick and it's convenient, but you don't need it. But yeah, I really hope that you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like me, please subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!